Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at 10 niches where you can make 3D prints and sell them on your shop or on marketplaces. I'm Richard, this is 3D Printing for Money, the channel that helps you make more money with your 3D printer. So let's get started. Niche number 1, cosplay accessories. Let's start with a very popular one. Have you ever been at a cosplay event? 9 out of 10 props are 3D printed and the cosplay industry is growing year after year. The demand is so high that entire businesses are founded solely on 3D printing cosplay props, also in these harsh times. If you want to see the most requested items, just hit Etsy, Amazon and eBay and you will find hundreds of shops offering 3D printed swords, helmets and suits. Niche number 2, FPV drones and RC car accessories. Drones are a rising industry and 3D printed parts like guards, fan protections and custom parts are extremely requested. Other than functional parts, people love to show off their drones, so stands and special wall mounts are a viable niche to develop 3D printed parts. Niche number 3, car and home repair parts. Believe it or not, automotive and 3D printing go hand by hand. Porsche and BMW are 3D printing motor pistons and body parts. Nice, huh? But wait, don't go buy a metal 3D printer, you don't need it. Car manufacturers tend to rush production and we all heard of little plastic parts breaking in cars. You can 3D print that part and sell it on your website. Even more, replacement for vintage cars are a growing trend, being them very hard to find. There are many other things you can 3D print for cars, but just give a glance to your car and figure out a product that can solve an issue. Cars are sold in thousands of units and it's quite likely that someone else will find your solution worthy. Same thing for the house. If something broke, you can design and 3D print it and sell it on many marketplaces. Niche number 4, prototypes and fixtures for industries. Listen up. If you think local companies don't need your 3D printing expertise, well, think a second time. Companies must make prototypes and small batches to make a new product. And truth is, many companies don't want to invest in new personnel able to operate a 3D printer and prefer to outsource the 3D printed parts, so you can develop a business partnership and print for them. Niche number 5, home decoration. Every homeowner wants to make their home more beautiful and practical. You will be surprised by how much time people spend looking for home improvements. From decorations to cabinet organizer to statues, this market is very vast. Also, being parts that don't undergo wear and tear, you won't need a special 3D printer. PLA and PETG are more than enough. Other than interiors, house outdoors are a huge opportunity. From tags for plants and seeds to pots to special watering tubes, there are so many things to be made. Niche number 6, jewels. Jewels are the tip of 3D printing. 3D printers allow you to make jewels with special shapes impossible to make with other machinery. On Etsy, 3D printed earrings sell like hotcakes. Even if FDM printers can still have their word, for the best results, resin and STLs printers will be your best allies. Niche number 7, D&D and tabletop scenery. These niches are the realm of resin 3D printers. Many D&D players want to enhance their tabletop games with miniatures and figurines. Depending on your skills, you can design your own or print available models found in public libraries. If minis are better made on resin 3D printers, there's also a place for FDM printers. Tabletop games are best experienced with terrain and scenery. I know people that under huge customer demand developed entire farms just for printing terrains and scenery. Niche number 8, 3D printed parts and plans for 3D printers. Do you think this market is awkward? Yes, me too. But reality is far from our personal beliefs. Selling 3D printer plans or complete kits for 3D printers is a new rising market. Just for giving you a reference, Kim Powley has a farm printing 24/7 IDEX kits for Ender trees. The Boron community has the PEF program going on, and some guys are selling with great success resin shrouds for a Railcode ZL project. This is a relatively small niche, but it will grow immensely in the next years. Niche number 9, I don't know how to count anymore. Lithophanes. Lithophanes are a strange niche. They aren't pretty without lighting and they aren't easy to make. But once you backlight them, man, what a wow factor. The little things that sell the most are custom portraits of the beloved ones. You can make lithos from FDM and resin, but I recommend to use resin printers. The high detail required takes ages on filament printers. Niche number 10, selling STLs. Okay, this niche is a little cheating because it's not technical 3D printing, but there's a growing demand for custom-made digital designs. If you have enormous drawing skills, you can 3D print your design to prove it's printable and reassure the potential customer. So guys, here you have them. 10 niches for 3D printing. If you found these principles helpful, subscribe for more content that will help you in your 3D printing journey. But now let's look at the strategy to work in these niches. Before going full bore, assess your strengths and skills and base it on those you can develop your production plan. Pick one niche, forget the rest for a month. In that month, focus on developing 5 to 10 products that will solve a problem in that space and figure out how to market those products on marketplaces and social platforms. The next month, focus on another niche and repeat the process. Over a period of 1 year, you will develop over 100 products and will have serious chances to find a niche that will be a money maker for you. Remember, this is a number game, and if you don't try, you will certainly gain nothing. I use this strategy and develop new products on a monthly basis, challenging myself to improve and offer something better to the world. There are many other markets where you can provide solutions with 3D printed products, but these 10 niches are a great place where to start or expand your 3D printing business. This is all for today. Now, go out there and make some money. See you in the next one.